YouTube, you're not going to believe it. I made a plan of starting the video up there, looking out across Clee Hill. That's where I was going to start. So I was searching for my GoPro and I reversed my car off there. It just literally fell straight down and it's in one piece. Wow! Maxx truck for the win! So guys, just to give you a better perspective, this is where I was going to start the video, because look at that for an intro. I was messing around with my GoPro that was on my remote, and I ain't even going to get too close to this edge. I'm going to get on my hands and knees. That is what I fell off. Can you believe that? That is insane. Start that again. Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop. Guys, check it out today. We are over Clee Hill with the Maxx trucks. Wow, the drop is behind me that you've just seen. That was a crazy start to the day. Just got here, just got the Maxx trucks out. Like I say, it would have made a great intro. Anyway, here's the intro. So I got plenty to do down here today. Loads of jumps, everything to break here at Maxx truck basically. Anyway, let's get some footage, stitch it all together, put it on here for you guys to see. Oh yeah! Don't forget to mention, we've got two of them. Oh yeah! Maxx truck down there, doing donuts on the huge oval. Whoa! Them rocks was bigger than I thought then. Okay, far away it is. It's so cool. Let's try and get some smoke. Hey! Maxx, gotta get down. There's a jump there as well. Straight down the track. Whoa! Ah! Go on, land. Land it. Go on, keep pressing forward. You probably go forward. Oh! All the way to the bottom then. Self-right system. Come on, Maxx truck. Oh, yeah. Oh, Maxx truck is an absolute beast. This probably won't be much of a video, guys, because everything's so far away and vast here. But look at that. Woo! In the attempt to the sender. Feel the speed. Oh, really good. You got a full send if I can get that throttle down. And it landed as well. Little backflip surely. Oh, nearly landed it at the top as well. That would have been cool. Let's have a second to go. Oh! Here we go. Apologies if it's windy, YouTube. How high do you think we could climb up that? I'm going to go for a rolling start. Place the power down. No placing power. Oh man. Oh, you know what, there's some boulders there that you can't even see, it's that far away. Oh no! Red Maxx. Here we go. It's really windy. Gotta get the power down. Here's the rocky part. Oh! Probably the same little part. Maybe. A little bit more further. Just had a little climb up the hill. Nearly about halfway. See if Lurchy can send his car. Bent it, not sent it. Here we go then. Sorry if it's windy. It is definitely windy up here. Come on. We can see it. Oh, we can see it. Oh, just there. It's there. That was nice. Let's send it back. Oh man! Oh, and we are out with the FTX Tracer, hidden behind the Maxx truck. Actually, oh jeez. And we are out with the FTX Tracer. What is that? What if it broke?
Broken axle load.
Oh yeah, he snapped it right in the centre. It's only the end of the drive shaft. Oh man. Snappy, snappy. Who'd have thought, right? Big bulky drive shafts actually go down to something very, very small at the end. I didn't even realise. Yeah. Mind you, you know what? They've held up pretty well tonight. It even threw the back again, so you didn't even go get the back again. Right then guys, there you have it. This place has been absolutely incredible. This is the top of it. You've already seen what's down there. What a fantastic day with the Maxx trucks. Orange Maxx survived. Red Maxx took a little bit of a beating, but you saw that was a minor fracture on a very small part. But you know what? These trucks have held up really well. The Red Maxx obviously bet me on the hill climb. You know, halfway up that hill is steep, man. Steep. Don't forget guys to jump over to DP488's channel, link in the description below. Let's get into 100 subscribers, he's not far off now. Go subscribe. Anyway guys, if you like the video, please rate, comment and subscribe.
Broken wheel. He hasn't mentioned the broken wheel.
It's not broke, it's a pin. It's a pin.
You just pull the hook.
It's simply a little hook pin that we'll drop in. We are taking this Maxx home in one piece. There you go. See you on the next one. Oh yeah! Woo!